Good day! Today we will be dividing fractions and mixed numbers. In dividing fractions, you need to remember these words: keep, change, and flip. For example, 3/10 divided by 1/4. You need to keep the first fraction, which is 3/10. Then change this into multiplication and flip 1/4. When we say flip, you're going to get the reciprocal. The reciprocal of 1/4 is 4/1. Then let's multiply. 3 times 4 is 12. 10 times 1 is 10. Let's change this into mixed number. 12 divided by 10 is 1 and the remainder is 2. So 1 and 2/10. Let's reduce 2/10 into its lowest term. The greatest common factor of 2 and 10 is 2. So let's divide it by 2. Two divided by 2 is equal to 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the final answer is 1 and 1/5. Example, 1/2 divided by 1/3. So keep. We need to keep 1/2. Change this into multiplication and get the reciprocal of 1/3. The reciprocal of 1/3 is 3/1. Then multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Let's divide 3 by 2. 3 divided by 2 is 1 and the remainder is 1. So the final answer is 1 and 1/2. Okay, another example. 5/7 divided by 3. So this is a whole number. First, you need to keep 5/7. Change this into multiplication and get the reciprocal of 3. The reciprocal of 3 is 1/3. Then multiply. 5 times 1 is 5. 7 times 3 is 21. How about mixed numbers? In dividing mixed number, you're going to convert first the mixed number into improper fraction. For example, 2 and 3/4 divided by 5 and 2/3. Convert it first to improper fraction. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 3, 11. 11/4 divided by 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. 17/3. Next, keep the first fraction, which is 11/4. Change this into multiplication and get the reciprocal of 17/3. The reciprocal of 17/3 is 3/17. Then multiply. 11 times 3 is 33. 4 times 17 is 68. So the final answer is 33/68.